Once upon a time, there was a couple deeply in love. One day, the woman made a mistake that hurt her partner deeply. The partner, unable to forgive, held onto the anger and resentment, and slowly but surely, the love and intimacy between them faded away. Years later, the partner realized the mistake of not forgiving and reached out to the woman. They talked and forgave each other. Although the relationship could not be fully restored, they both realized the importance of forgiveness in any relationship. Forgiveness is a vital component of any healthy relationship. In this video, we'll explore how forgiveness can strengthen relationships and lead to greater intimacy and trust. Before keep going, don't forget to subscribe and win giveaways. Forgiveness is the act of pardoning someone for a wrongdoing or offense. It's an essential part of relationships because it allows us to move past hurt and anger and to begin rebuilding trust and intimacy with the person who has hurt us. The benefits of forgiveness are numerous. When we forgive someone, we release ourselves from the burden of anger and resentment. This, in turn, can lead to greater emotional well-being and better physical health. Additionally, forgiveness can help to strengthen relationships. It allows us to let go of the past and to focus on the present and future. This can lead to greater intimacy and trust with our partners, family members, and friends. Forgiveness is a process that takes time and effort. It involves acknowledging our hurt and anger and then choosing to let it go. It doesn't mean that we forget what happened or that we condone the behavior that hurt us. Rather, it means that we choose to move past the hurt and to work towards rebuilding trust and intimacy with the person who hurt us. Here are some tips for practicing forgiveness in your relationships. 1. Acknowledge your feelings. It's important to acknowledge your hurt and anger and to express them in a healthy way. 2. Let go of resentment. Resentment can be toxic to relationships. Work on letting go of any resentment you may be holding on to. 3. Communicate. Open and honest communication is essential in any healthy relationship. Talk to the person who hurt you and let them know how you feel. 4. Work on rebuilding trust. Forgiveness is just the first step in rebuilding trust. It takes time and effort to rebuild trust in a relationship. In conclusion, forgiveness is a powerful tool that can help to strengthen relationships and lead to greater intimacy and trust. It's a process that takes time and effort, but the benefits are well worth it. We hope you found this video helpful. What's your view on forgiving others? Comment down below.